Colorful and fun and normal.
Well, our relationship, it's a happy relationship. We are always, bad times and good times, we're always together.
We have a very wonderful life with Jesus.
Yeah. We make
As a
Jesus
Christian family.
we make
Yes.
Jesus the center of our lives.
Yes.
So even if we
Center
are
of our home.
Happy moments, merong sad moments, merong challenges, ups and downs, pero being married for 21 years, maybe more on the happy than the problems and the sad moments.
kaya even if our problem is so heavy, we have Jesus that makes us happy. Kaya ang relationship namin, we always share our problems to each other, and then we pray for it.
Ko lahat. Yung napagdaanan namin, tapos naalala ko lahat ng yung pagkito namin.
Naalala ko din yung yung mga kung paano kami nagkakilala. Tapos, hindi, paano yung sa akin. Paano kami nagkakilala, tapos yung mga ginagawa namin nung mga unang araw na nagkakilala kami. Tapos kung paano siya nagpapit sa akin.
Wow. Kung anong nagkakito sa akin.
Tapos, kung yung mga pinagdaanan namin, yung sobrang dami na pinagdaanan.
Masaya. Exciting.
Yes.
Para akong natutunaw habang ako'y tinititigan. Wow! Diba? Yan. Kahit na matanda na kami, hindi naman mawawala yan.